Welcome to Holistic Health Vibe, where we focus on holistic health. Today we will be discussing medicinal syrups made with herbs. Let's begin. In a world increasingly reliant on synthetic medications, many are turning back to the healing power of nature. There's a growing desire to understand and use plants for health and wellness, just as our ancestors did. This shift towards natural remedies is driven by a number of factors. Many people are seeking gentler, more holistic approaches to health. Others are concerned about the potential side effects of synthetic medications. Whatever the reason, the resurgence of interest in herbal medicine is undeniable. People are rediscovering the deep connection between plants and human health. This renewed interest is leading to exciting discoveries and a deeper appreciation for the wisdom of traditional healing practices. Herbal syrups are a time-honored way to harness the healing properties of plants. These sweet concoctions have been used for centuries to soothe coughs, ease digestion, boost immunity, and address a wide range of other ailments. Unlike many commercial syrups, which often contain artificial flavors, colors, and high-fructose corn syrup, herbal syrups are made with natural ingredients. They offer a gentle and effective way to deliver the healing power of plants, particularly for children, and those who have difficulty swallowing pills. Herbal syrups are essentially concentrated herbal infusions or decoctions that are preserved with honey or sugar. The sweetness not only makes them palatable, but also acts as a natural preservative, extending their shelf life. Making herbal syrups at home is a rewarding and surprisingly simple process. It allows you to connect with the plants on a deeper level and create personalized remedies tailored to your specific needs. The basic process involves extracting the medicinal properties of herbs by simmering them in water to create a concentrated decoction. Once strained, honey or sugar is added to the warm liquid and stirred until dissolved. The choice of herbs depends on the desired therapeutic effect. For example, elderberry is renowned for its immune-boosting properties, while ginger is a popular remedy for nausea and digestive upset. One of the main advantages of using herbal syrups over synthetic medicines is their gentle nature. Herbal remedies have been used for centuries across various cultures, showcasing their enduring effectiveness and safety. These natural solutions are often derived from plants that have been part of traditional healing practices for generations. Herbs work in harmony with the body's natural healing processes, addressing the root cause of an ailment rather than simply masking the symptoms. This holistic approach ensures that the body is supported in its journey to wellness, promoting overall health and balance. Unlike many synthetic drugs, which often come with a long list of potential side effects, herbs tend to be well tolerated by the body. They offer a more natural alternative that can be integrated into daily life without the fear of adverse reactions. This makes them a safer option for long-term use, especially for children, pregnant women, and the elderly. Their gentle nature ensures that even the most vulnerable members of our society can benefit from their healing properties without undue risk. It's important to remember that herbs are powerful medicine and should be treated with respect. While they are natural, they are not without potency. Proper knowledge and guidance are essential to harness their full potential safely. Always consult with a qualified herbalist or healthcare practitioner before using herbs medicinally, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, or taking any medications. This ensures that you are using the right herbs in the right way, maximizing benefits while minimizing any potential risks. Nature's Medicine Cabinet. Herbs for common ailments. The world of herbs is vast and diverse, offering a treasure trove of remedies for various ailments. For centuries, people have turned to nature to find relief from common health issues, and herbs have played a crucial role in traditional medicine across cultures. Here are a few examples of herbs commonly used in medicinal syrups. These natural remedies have been cherished for their healing properties and are often found in home apothecaries. Elderberry, or Sambucus nigra, is renowned for its immune-boosting properties. This dark purple berry is packed with antioxidants and vitamins that can help strengthen your immune system. It's a popular choice for preventing and shortening the duration of colds and flu. Many people use elderberry syrup as a natural remedy during the cold season to keep illnesses at bay. Ginger, also known as Zingiber officinale, is a warming and stimulating herb. Its spicy and aromatic qualities make it a favorite in both culinary and medicinal applications. It's an effective remedy for nausea, vomiting, motion sickness, and digestive upset. Ginger tea or syrup can provide quick relief from an upset stomach and is often used by travelers to combat motion sickness. Thyme, or Thymus vulgaris, is known for its powerful antiseptic properties. This aromatic herb is not only a staple in the kitchen but also a potent medicinal plant. It's often used to soothe coughs, sore throats, and congestion. Thyme's essential oils have antimicrobial properties that make it effective in fighting respiratory infections. Marshmallow, scientifically named Althea officinalis, is a soothing herb known for its ability to coat and soothe irritated mucous membranes. This gentle herb has been used for centuries to treat various inflammatory conditions. This makes it an excellent choice for coughs, sore throats, and digestive complaints. Marshmallow root can be made into a syrup or tea to provide relief from irritation and inflammation. These are just a few examples of the many herbs that can be used to make healing syrups. Each herb brings its unique set of benefits, and combining them can create powerful remedies. As you delve deeper into the world of herbal medicine, you'll discover a wide array of plants that can support your health and well-being. Embracing these natural remedies can lead to a more holistic approach to health, connecting you with the healing power of nature. Beyond those already mentioned, the world of herbs offers a vast and diverse pharmacopoeia. Consider these additional allies. Chamomile, also known as Matricaria recutita, is known for its calming and relaxing properties. This gentle herb has been used for centuries to soothe the mind and body. Chamomile can be used to ease anxiety, insomnia, and digestive upset. A warm cup of chamomile tea before bed can help you unwind and prepare for a restful night's sleep. Lemon balm, or Melissa officinalis, is an aromatic herb known for its mood-boosting and antiviral properties, making it helpful for anxiety, depression, and cold sores. Its fresh, lemony scent can uplift the spirit and bring a sense of calm. Rose hips from Rosa canina are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. These bright red fruits are not only beautiful but also incredibly nutritious. Rose hips are a valuable addition to immune-boosting syrups and can also be helpful for joint pain and skin health. Incorporating rose hips into your diet can provide a natural boost to your overall wellness. Remember, this is just a glimpse into the vast world of herbal remedies. Each herb has its own story, its own unique benefits, and its own way of supporting our health. Each plant possesses unique properties and energetic qualities, making them suited for specific uses. Exploring the world of herbs can be a lifelong journey of discovery and healing. While generally safe, it's crucial to use herbs responsibly and with awareness. Proper identification. Always ensure you've correctly identified a plant before use, as some species can be toxic. Refer to reputable field guides or consult with experienced herbalists. Dosage. Start with small doses of any new herb and gradually increase as needed, observing your body's response. Sourcing. Choose high-quality, organic herbs whenever possible to avoid potential contaminants like pesticides or heavy metals. Always consult with a qualified healthcare practitioner before using herbs medicinally, especially if you have any underlying health conditions, are pregnant, nursing, or taking any medications. The resurgence of interest in herbal medicine signifies a return to ancient wisdom. For centuries, humans have relied on plants for food, medicine, and spiritual connection. This ancestral knowledge, passed down through generations, is now experiencing a revival. By learning to identify, harvest, and prepare herbal remedies, we reclaim a vital part of our heritage. We reconnect with the rhythms of nature and tap into the innate healing power of the earth. This journey of rediscovering herbal medicine is a deeply personal and empowering one. It invites us to slow down, listen to our bodies, and approach health and wellness with a holistic perspective. The world of herbal medicine is vast and fascinating, offering a natural and holistic approach to health and well-being. By incorporating herbal syrups into your life, you can tap into the gentle yet potent healing power of plants. Whether you're seeking to soothe a cough, boost your immunity, or simply enhance your overall well-being, there's an herbal ally waiting to be discovered. Embrace the world of herbal medicine and experience the transformative power of plants. Remember to approach herbs with respect, learn from reputable sources, and consult with qualified practitioners. As you embark on your herbal journey, you'll be amazed by the abundance and generosity of nature's healing gifts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and visit our website for more herbal remedies and tips. Join our community and stay connected with nature's healing wonders.